So there you have it. Yeah, sometimes the people you might be accusing, like like some people government need itself, they have been looking for them basically. We gave you a report here sometime, and the report was talking about people who just get up and start collecting tickets on their own, even without the government knowing about it. As we await for your input, I will get you to listen to that report right now. When we get back, we'll continue. You know, Street Report continues to unfold. Take a listen. Most bus drivers and tricycle operators in Anambra State are complaining bitterly about the amount of illegal tickets that is on the road. Here is some of them complaining about their challenges. Individuals who create some of these illegal tickets narrate how they create them and why. However, there is confusion amongst the populace about which is the real ticket that one should do. The reason why the public face inflation in transportation fares without fuel hike is not far-fetched. From Ekempo Park, Martin Ifeanyi Gregory reporting. And there you have it. Sometimes we get to point the accusing fingers, wrongly at the wrong people. But this problem is something that we will solve if we get to unite against them as a people. As I await your input, why don't you just take a listen to this this song, as I await your input. When we get back, we'll continue to talk more on these issues. Enjoy this one. Is Chronics, and it's telling God, guide I, guide I. Anything you're doing, whatever you're doing now, going out there today, anything you're doing, ask God to guide you always. Enjoy this one as Street Report continues to unfold.